This is Ron Varga with Peterbilt of Atlanta. I'm down here at our Jackson, Georgia store. And this particular unit is not for sale, but it's just a custom order for one of my customers. It's a 2026 589. It's got the 16-foot insulated Tebco body on it. Customer specified these colors, and the fine folks at Tebco came through with great match. The quality of that paint. They do some fantastic work. You've added a toolbox to it for the customer. We've also added the pintle hitch and all the trailer air and electrical connections. Truck turned out great. We added extra lights under the cab, in front of the breathers, on the dog leg, a stainless visor, our 4 roof-mounted air horns. Let's take a look under the hood. This truck is powered with the 500 horse Cummins X15. And it also has the Allison 4500 RDS series transmission, 20,000 pound steer axle, 46,000 pound rears, 80 gallon fuel tank, 456 gears with locking differentials. Inside we've got our premier interior, leather air ride seats. Got our body controls. Extra dash gauges. Cobra CV radio. I think the customer's going to be very pleased with this. He'll come and pick it up tomorrow morning. So if a custom truck is on your list, give me a call. Let's spec one out. 706-372-4698.